Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Athar Parvin. Friends, recently in Dharwad we saw a massive protest organized by AKSA, right? All Karnataka State Students Association. So thousands of aspirants were gathered there demanding fair chances in government recruitment, and their main demand was the upper age limit relaxation. And it is correct also, right? Since so many years there is no vacancy at all. Talking about our teacher recruitments, see, HSTR, that is high school teacher recruitment, was previously done before 10 years in 2015. GPSTR 2022 was last. PSTR also long time, no recruitment only. So it is understood only that aspirants are preparing from long time. Now if the delay is from the side of the government, then that is not the issue of the aspirants, right? Each and every aspirant, even if the aspirant is preparing from long time, should be able to write the upcoming recruitments. For that, the government should increase the upper age limit, right? The government should give the age relaxation. So that is one thing here. Now government is giving response to this protest. Talking about our education minister, he has told that recruitment exam will be conducted in a convenient manner, in a way suitable for students. This is what he told in media. I'll be playing you the video related to this. He told that 18,000 vacancies in government are there and that will be filled soon, which is telling since long time, of course. And he told that on this matter of aided schools and teacher appointments, he himself is looking into it, it seems. And he promised that surely as soon as possible the recruitments will be coming.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು, ಸಡಿಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಕೆಲವು ನನ್ನ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಸಡಿಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇದ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ನಾಗಮೋಹನ್ ದಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ಬಂತು, ನಾನು ಈಗಲಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದು ನಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಳಂಬ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಈಗ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂತು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾಳೆ ಆಗೋದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಾರಣಾಂತರದಿಂದ ಈ ವಿಚಾರಗಳು ನಿಂತಿದ್ವಿ ಹೊರತು ಯಾರೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ಪಸಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೇ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ನಾನೇ 18,000 ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನುದಾನಿತ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹುಮ್ಮಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪಾಪ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ದವರು ಪಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Friends, we know that preparing for government jobs is not easy actually, because it will take sometimes years of waiting, lot of patience, lot of hard work. We know that there are many aspirants who have left the jobs, who have been staying in other places to prepare in different type of coaching institutions, because aspirants keep telling us about all this. So that's why we, in fact, before 3 years only thought about this. So to support you all in this tough journey, we had decided at that time to give all our paid aspirants full access to our full courses till their exam date. Like our HSTR PM first batch students, they have enrolled with us almost 3 years ago, but still they have full access to full courses. Not only HSTR PM first batch, all our HSTR batches, 10 batches, CB method batches, GPSTR batches, even CRISE batches, we have given full access to full courses till their exam date. See, if we give access only till 6 months or so, the aspirant will have to come back after 6 months and pay again, right? Which we don't want, because you all are already in tough situation. So we are here to help you only, okay? Because this is a very uncertain time, we know about it. Like the way AKSA is supporting the students by protesting in their way, we are helping the students this way, okay? So you need to stay strong, keep preparing. Your hard work will surely pay off, and we as mentors, we stand with you till the end. We will make sure that you have access to full courses until your exam date. Okay? Thank you. All the best. Bye.